Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create automated replies in ManyChat in 2026. Whether you want to answer customer questions instantly or save time managing messages, ManyChat makes it quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure your Facebook page or Instagram account is already connected. Next, go to the automation section and click Create New Flow ****. Yeah, this is where you'll build your automated reply. Now choose a trigger such as a keyword, a new message, a button click, or another supported event. This tells ManyChat when to send your reply automatically. After that, add a message block and type the response you want users to receive. You can also include buttons, quick replies, images, links, or other actions to make the conversation more interactive. Before turning it on, test your automation by sending a message from your connected account. Make any necessary changes, then activate the flow so it starts replying to users automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created automated replies in ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.